Narrated by Abu Jamra Raziallahu Anha. I used to sit with Ibn Abbas and he made me sit on his sitting place. He requested me to stay with him in order that he might give me a share from his property. So I stayed with him for 2 months. Once he told me that when the delegation of the tribe of Abdul Qais came to the Prophet ﷺ asked them, "Who are the people, that is you, or who are the delegate?" They replied, "We are from the tribe of Rabia." Then the Prophet ﷺ said to them, "Welcome, O people, or the delegation of Abdul Qais. Neither will you have disgrace nor will you regret." They said, "O Allah's Messenger ﷺ, we cannot come to you except in the sacred month, and there is the infidel tribe of Mudar intervening between you and us. So please order us to do something good, religious deeds, so that we may inform our people whom we have left behind at home, and that we may enter paradise by acting on them." Then they asked about drinks, what is legal and what is illegal. The Prophet ﷺ ordered them to do 4 things and forbade them from 4 things. He ordered them to believe in Allah alone and asked them, "Do you know what is meant by believing in Allah alone?" They replied, "Allah and His Apostle know better." Thereupon the Prophet ﷺ said, "It means, number 1, to testify that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and Muhammad is the Allah's Messenger ﷺ. Number 2, to offer prayers perfectly. Number 3, to pay the zakat, obligatory charity. Number 4, to observe fast during the month of Ramadan. Number 5, and to pay al-Qumus, 1/5 of the booty to be given in Allah's cause." Then he forbade them from 4 things, namely Hantam, Dubba, Naqir, and Muzaffat or Muqayyar. These were the names of pots in which alcoholic drinks were prepared. The Prophet ﷺ mentioned the container of wine, and he meant the wine itself. The Prophet ﷺ further said to them, "Memorize them, these instructions, and convey them to the people whom you have left behind."